Hello, my name is Josh, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a French bread pizza. The ingredients are going to be a French bread, Prego sauce, pepperonis, and mozzarella cheese. Any other toppings are up for your preference, and you can add them as you'd like. There are two different ways of making this French bread pizza. The first is making a sliced bread like this, or you can also grab the bread and put it long ways and cut it down the middle, like so. Okay, as you can see, it is cut long ways, and this is what you're going to use this is going to be the top of the pizza. Okay, so before we start, you will have to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. That is if you're using a conventional oven, and if not, you can also use a pizza oven. Okay, so we're going to start by putting the Prego sauce onto the bread, and then okay, so we are going to start by putting the Prego sauce onto the top of the bun, and it is up to you how much marinara sauce you like, so just apply as much as you'd like. Personally, I like more cheese than I do like marinara, so I will be applying more cheese and marinara. And just do this for all of the breads. So make sure you do cover all of the edges so that you get a taste of marinara in every bite, not just in the middle. Okay, so after you have spread all of your marinara, you will have to apply the cheese and any other toppings that you want. In my case, I'm going to do just mozzarella and pepperoni. So the amount of cheese you put is really up to you. It just depends how much cheese you like on your pizza. Personally, I like a lot. Other people might not like much, but I like cheese. Okay, just to show how I'm doing it, I'm just sprinkling on the cheese onto the top of the pizza. Now that we have added our cheese, next we're gonna add our pepperonis. It's up to you what type of pepperonis you use. For this, I would have liked to use the smaller pepperonis, but since I only have the big ones right now, I'm only just gonna put 2 on each one. Maybe 1. And after you do that, you place them onto a cooking sheet and you put them into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese melts. Okay, so this is the finished product, and this is after 12 minutes in the oven. And as you can see, the cheese is melted and the pepperoni is hot. Woo! Alright, so this is a quick and affordable recipe that can be used by many families, also college students who don't have much time to be making regular pizzas. And also, this can also be made inside of a toaster oven, a regular conventional oven, and a pizza toaster. And that was it for my instructions on how to make French bread pizza. Thank you.